Hello, I'm Janet Clare and welcome to the Fat Quarter Shop studio, where I'm here today to talk to you about my book, A Field Guide, which is all about enjoying nature and all the small little things that maybe go unnoticed when we're so busy. Just taking the time to notice the pretty flowers and hear the birds singing and really appreciate what's going on around us in the outside. So it's a field guide, it's a quilt for all seasons, so it goes through all 4 seasons that we enjoy. I designed all the end papers, so you've got original watercolours there. These are my little boys, they're not that little anymore, they're 16 and 13. We've got a curiosity cabinet in our hallway, there it is, and they collect all their treasures, so all their feathers and shells and things there, and that's what's really inspired the book, their love of collecting things and noticing things that we just don't notice anymore. So the book takes you through the seasons, spring, gives you lots of ideas for projects that you can make throughout our seasons. All of my templates are full size. Lots and lots of photographs of the English countryside for you to enjoy. Little bunnies, a recipe for some soup, fun things. This is our summer, which is nothing like your summer, I'm sure, because it's not warm at all. Here we are playing in the garden with all our butterflies and bugs. Really good fun. So spring, summer, autumn and winter. The autumn's beautiful where we are. I know you've got beautiful fall colour here as well. This is my little Henry snoozing under the trees quilt. So the book is full of ideas for you, all full-size templates, lots of inspiring photographs and ideas for you to make pieces. And the quilt underneath the book here, this I feel is a nature collection in cloth. So I made each piece individually and collaged it all together. And this is a little wall hanging that hangs on the wall. You can have really good fun, and you find all the templates in the Field Guide book, which you can get at the Fat Quarter Shop.